So the first thing and the most important thing is to make sure that your design is the proper resolution. And I'm in Photoshop, and if I go to design size, you'll see that the resolution is 200. I've got it right now the width of 12 and the height of 11 and a half basically. So not sure how big you wanted it, but the main thing is it's at a size of 200 dpi. And the file, if you see right here, it's a PNG file. So that's very important. Okay, so now let's load this design for you. Okay, so we're going to hit Add Product, and it's going to take us to this page right here. This page is our Designer Studio, and the first thing you want to do when this loads up, Neil, is decide what shirt you want it to default on in your store. So on this one, we're just going to make it a fine jersey tee. That's what sells the most. And let's go with a color that probably looks good with this design. So you can change this at any time, obviously. So for right now, let's maybe green. Fine, we'll go green. If we don't like it, we'll change it. Okay, so we're going to hit Upload. And this is where your designs are that's already been loaded. This is your library. So if you ever want to use this design again, just click on it and it will load onto this shirt. Since this is a new design, I'm going to hit I agree to the uploading art policy, which means that you have the right to upload this. I'm going to click Upload. I'm going to go to the design that you just saw that we created. Call it Develop Christ Love, the PNG file. I'm going to say Open. It's going to load, and there it is. Okay, we want to place it. It's centered already, but we want to place it to wherever it is that looks good. So we're going to push it up a little bit, make sure it's centered. Okay, that's it. Next thing we do is just go Add to Store. Okay, it's going to save your design. It's going to take you to a page to where you've got to give your design a name and what colors shirts you want it to go on, etc. Okay, so here's the page it takes us to, and we're going to call this design Develop Christ Love. Okay, we got to give it a category, and I would say that this is faith, obviously, so let's take it to, let's call it religion. If you want to put a description in about it, you can right here. It's up to you. Search tags, these are what you want people who are in SellMyTees to, if they hit a certain word, you want your design to upload. So let's put the word Christ in. Your store name is Blessed. Let's put that in. Let's put the word love. Let's add the word faith. So if anybody hits any of these words, your design will show up. Okay, this is the display order we want it to be, and let's go ahead and make that number 1, which is top left. These are the colors that your shirt of the shirts that you're allowing your customers to choose. We'll go ahead and leave them all. I'm going to go ahead and just add $7. This is the price that you make on every shirt. So here's the base price, your markup price. So what's going to show up in your store would be $20. This right here is customized design. If you want somebody to be able to change your design on the front, click on. Most in this case, I would say don't. It's a great tool for if you want somebody to say put their name in there or something like that. So if somebody wants to put their name on the back of the shirt or something, you click that on. Okay, so private listing, you want to click this on if you do not want SellMyTees to be advertising your design. This meta information here is all about Google search. So we obviously want Google to see your design. So we're going to put Blessed. We're going to put Develop Christ's Love. And then we'll just do Christ Love. So if anybody hits any of these, your design will show up probably on the first page. And just out of simplicity, I'm going to just put these on each one of your descriptions. Then all we got to do is hit save. It's going to process it for a second. Okay, it says success, saved successfully. So we want to go back, and you'll see that in your store now, the number 1 position is Develop Christ's Love, and the number 2 position is God's Grace. And to look at it, we just click up here and look in your store, and there it is. If you want to change the color of the shirt that I've got it on, that's extremely easy to do. Just go back in here to hit Edit, and then go back into Edit Design, and just for the heck of it, I'm going to show you how to change it to a different shirt or a different color. So let's put it on this shirt. Kind of looks nice on this shirt. If I want to make the design smaller or something, because on this shirt it looks kind of big, we can lock this up so that it goes proper in width and height proportion. You see that that looks like it's a pretty good size. Let's center it. Okay, let's leave it on this shirt. This looks pretty good. Now again, if you want to change the shirt, if you want to change the color, this is how you do it. You just go into Edit, you hit Add to Store, and it's going to come back to the page, your design page. And then what you've got to make sure you do before you leave this page is hit Save here also. What you're doing is saving all the colors, etc., that people can choose. Okay, this is saved. We're going to go back, and now we'll view your store again. And I've got to refresh this page so I see your new shirt. There it is. Click there. Up comes your shirt. There you go. Okay, Neil. Good luck in selling this stuff, and keep spreading the love. Thank you so much.